Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What does Parler look like? Parler borrows a lot from Twitter, complete with handles that start with the @ symbol and hashtags to allow people to find topics that interests them. You can follow people, just as on Twitter, and their parleys then show up in your feed.
Take our lead.
The application runs on Android and iOS. To download the application on a phone and install it, you have to go to Google Play or the Apple Store. It also works on PC under Windows in your browser. As on other social networks, you sign up by creating an account and choosing a login and then putting a photo.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
How to cancel Parler subscriptions on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store. Click on Menu, then go to Subscriptions. Choose the Parler subscription you wish to cancel and tap on the Cancel Subscription option. Finish up as directed.
Take our lead.
Parler for Android. Step 1. Download the Parler APK on your device. Step 2. Allow third-party apps on your device. To install the Parler. Step 3. Go to your file manager or browser location. You will now need to locate the Parler. Step 4. Enjoy. Parler is now installed on your device.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.